Hello friends. Ferrari Portofino. The Ferrari Portofino is a grand touring sports car produced by the Italian manufacturer Ferrari. It is a two-door 2+2 hardtop convertible. The car is named after Portofino village and also replaces the California T. The car was revealed at the 2017 Frankfurt Motor Show. The new name, Portofino, gives us a hint that this new car won't be a dramatic departure from the old California, a car designed to be more about usability than offering the most thrilling driving experience. Rather than choosing a name associated with wonderful driving roads or legendary racetracks, Ferrari decided on borrowing the name from glamorous town on the Italian Riviera. But there are promising signs that the Portofino will be a significant improvement over its predecessor. Firstly, the engine, although predominantly the same as in the California T, has been subjected to a thorough overhaul. New pistons, conrods, intake system and exhaust manifolds have resulted in an increase of 39 bhp, taking the total output to 592 bhp at 7,500 revolutions per minute, but torque has only swelled by 3 pounds-feet to 560, although that figure is available between 3,000 and 5,250 revolutions per minute. These revisions don't translate to huge on-paper improvements in performance over the California T, although Ferrari does say the Portofino has an improved throttle response. Launching from a standing start, you'll see 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and 124 miles per hour in 10.8 seconds, 0.1 and 0.4 seconds quicker respectively than its predecessor. Despite the lower drag coefficient, a 6% improvement over the California T, flat out the topless Ferrari runs out of puff a single mile per hour shy of 200. The Portofino also utilizes the same variable boost management that helps the 488 GTB feel so responsive, natural and approachable, despite being turbocharged and having vast amounts of available torque. The system limits torque in lower gears to give the rear tires a fighting chance of finding grip, even at full throttle. It can then use the engine's maximum torque in higher gears to improve performance when traction is less of an issue. Deliveries will start for left-hand drive European markets in the first quarter of 2018, with right-hand drive UK deliveries and North American cars expected in summer 2018. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And subscribe.